Are you one of those people that sends your food back if it is not just right? Okay, Goldilocks, well, you may have some competition when it comes to being extremely particular. Check out this Facebook post from a bistro in Australia. This is the sandwich that a woman returned for not being cut exactly in the middle. Karoa RSL CEO Peter Norris told ABC News that a sandwich was sent back by a bingo lady in her 80s. The woman didn't ask for a refund, though. She was happy with a new role. Seems like the restaurant even had a sense of humor about the whole thing, saying, "For those who have worked in hospitality, you will understand the randomness. If you can't have a laugh, life will be pretty dull."